channel, guys. I'm out here on a really windy day testing out a new audio mic, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it does a little bit better than the internal mic on my camera. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update on the lawn. Been a couple days since we've done anything from posting a video, so just going to show you a quick snapshot of the backyard here where we've been using some CarbonX. I put down CarbonX at the beginning of May. It's May 15th today, so about 15 days in, 2 weeks, and the green up has been spectacular. Really excited to see the results that I'm getting from the CarbonX fertilizer. I've also applied one application of RGS. That was actually applied on the 13th of May, and we went down just a little over 3 ounces per thousand, so probably closer to 4, maybe 5 ounces per thousand. I went a little bit heavier knowing that we've got the heat coming on, so really not going to see many results from that, but that was actually put down. Also did my grub control for the whole yard, and that was applied I think right around May 10th or 11th. I put that down, so ready for the spring. We did a second treatment for fungicide for May, knowing that we're going to be transitioning into this hotter, humid weather, and so that was put down at the beginning of May also. In the pool area, I have not used CarbonX in here. We've used Milorganite. I have one bag left over from last year, and I have just enough between my front yard and my backyard to apply the Milorganite that I had. So I used up that bag from last year, put down a full application on it, and of course it's Milorganite, and the lawn is, the Bermuda is actively growing right now. So with the fertilizer that we've used, I did use a little bit of Green Punch 1801 in the pool area in the front of the house, so some pretty good results and nice green up for the pool area. I am cutting the lawn at 1 inch in the pool area and in the backyard, and now in the front I'm cutting at 1 1/4, only because I've had some issues in the front yard that I'm trying to rectify. So the front yard we're cutting 1 1/4. Milorganite has been put down along with RGS, the fungicide, and then of course we have also put the grub killer or preventer or whatever you want to call it down. So all in all, pretty happy with the progress, especially in the backyard. It looks spectacular. The front yard, where the Roundup and the armadillo destroyed the front yard, of course it's a lot of work. We're still working through it, but nonetheless, the Bermuda that's there is healthy. It's actively growing. I have put down some humic acid up front as well, especially in that edge where the Bermuda is growing into those bare spots, and then covered those bare spots as much as I could, and hit it with just a little bit of 1801 over the weekend, just to ensure that I've got nitrogen, keeping that grass really actively growing. It has the Milorganite as well, so I'm going to continue to spoon feed with the Green Punch 1801 until I can get those bare spots as close to full, or until the heat gets too hot and I can't put it down. So that's the update for today. Just wanted to kind of get you guys an update. Wanted to test out this new mic. Hopefully the pull and the wind isn't too bad and you guys can hear me pretty clear. So hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday. My yard work is done. I mowed the lawn last night, so enjoy the photos, and we'll talk to you soon.